Hey guys, Nick here, coming to you live from the unboxing zone once again here at Gitex Shopper 2018. Now right now we have a super exciting product to unbox for you. This is the Dell XPS 15. Now if you're in the market for a super slim, lightweight and gorgeous looking laptop, honestly this one is the one to beat. This is one of Dell's best laptops, I think, to date, and they're giving us one to unbox, so let's go ahead and unbox this one. Now, before I get into it, I do have the power brick here separately. I just want to show you guys, it's actually a really small and fairly slimline power brick. So if I slip that across, you'll see it's actually really nice and super easy to slip into your laptop case, so it's definitely something that's easy to carry around. But getting to the laptop itself, just gonna lift it out of here. At the bottom, obviously, you've got safety information, warranty details, how to quickly do a setup in Windows. I do also have to point out that this actual base that the laptop's sitting in is made from 100% recycled plastics, and 25% of that has come from the ocean, which is sort of Dell's way of kind of giving back to the environment and making sure that the amount of packaging in their product is reduced. So that's a really good initiative from them. So we're going to put that to the side and get into the actual laptop. Here we go. Okay, here we go. And I'm going to turn this around. So as you can see, it's a beautiful brushed silver appearance. Really nice, got a good feel to it. Over here, port-wise, let's have a look. So you've got two USB-C ports over here on the side and a micro SD card reader. On this side, you've got, again, two mini display ports and a headphone jack and a Kensington lock. We're going to open this guy up, and look at that, just really nice, beautiful full edge-to-edge display there. You can see just how big it is, how narrow the bezels are at the edges, really nice. The keyboard itself feels really good to type on. It's a nice spacious trackpad. Just the overall brush and finishing on it, it just feels so premium, really nice. This particular model, I have to say, is the 15.6-inch display. It comes with 16 gigabytes of RAM, and this is the i7 model. For storage, you have a 1 terabyte PCIe SSD card, and for graphics, you've got a Radeon Vega with 4 gigabytes of RAM in it. So honestly, this is a bit of a powerhouse if you need to do some sort of heavy graphics work or heavy lifting that way with whether it's gaming or Photoshop or any of these kind of big, powerful applications. This is definitely a laptop you want to look at. I mean, it's really nice, beautifully designed, quite thin. It's got a fantastic finish to it, and it's got plenty of power under the hood as well. So this is definitely something you want to be looking at if you're in the market for a slim, lightweight, and powerful laptop. That's it for this unboxing video, but stay tuned for more videos, or come on down and see us right here at Gitex Shopper 2018.